Every day, people are becoming more and more environmentally aware. It isn't hard to find products that are eco-friendly anymore. The cost of living may increase a little in comparison to non-eco-friendly products, but you can rest assured that you are doing your part for the planet. Hi, I'm Laura Sosnowski of Maine Home Connection. During the last 2 years, I've learned a lot about environmentally friendly living, working with our Unity subdivision at Douglas Ridge in Brunswick. But if you are not in the market currently for that new sustainable living home, there are things you can do to your current digs that can help you do your part for the environment. While turning your current home green might sound a bit intimidating, rest assured, it's the little measures that add up. To make the challenge more manageable, we have assembled this simple list of ideas you can implement each month. And by year end, you'll be surprised at just what you've accomplished. For example, one of the easiest is opting out of junk snail mail. Doing this will reduce the amount of paper used every year. Is your hot water tank warm to the touch? Insulating it can save both energy and water, and it's very affordable to do. As December rolls around and it's time to buy gifts for your loved ones, consider eco-friendly options that spread love and inspiration to others. When it comes to saving the earth, you just can't say no. Until next time, I'm Laura Sosnowski, and I invite you to imagine more.